Hey everyone, today we are diving into loops in Kotlin. We will cover for while and while loops, explore ranges. Let's jump in. I want to start with for loop. Is straightforward and perfect for iterating over ranges or collections. And let's create some example. We must write keyword for. In brackets we must write our condition. And let's output a variable in the console. Okay, let's break it down. We have keyword for loop. We have condition in brackets, like we have I, variable I, and this variable will be in the range from 1 to 10. And code inside this block will be repeat while this is true, while I less than 10. Okay, run this code and we can see that it works. This is code inside this block called 10 times from 1 to 10. Okay, perhaps we want to reverse our loop. We want from 10 to 1. For that we can use keyword down to. Oh my god, wait a second. And now it will be work in the reverse. And yes, it works. Next, let's look at while loops. This execute as long as the condition is true. For example, we can create some variable, for example, equal 1, and write keyword while. In brackets we should write our condition, like this one, and we must write our block. Println x and x plus plus. X plus plus, that means something like this, but in short form. And now we can run our code, and yes, it works. Like we run from 1 to 5 because we repeat this code and increase our variable x while x less or equals 5, and we can see like how it works. Okay, we have another loops, do while, where the while loop is similar, but it always runs at least once, because the condition is checked after execution. For example, we can also create some variable. Now we use keyword do, write something like this, plus plus. Now we will use keyword while, and in brackets we must write our condition, for example, and now we can run this code. Yes, it works. And how I said, this condition will be checked only after this block. And this is the difference between do while and just while.